Hello everyone and welcome back to another video regarding email campaigns. In this video we are going to complete adding the info to our email template and sending it out to our sphere of influence. Okay, so this is a great opportunity to advertise listings, advertise open houses, sales, activities, a lot of great things just here. Okay, so we are here inside of the campaigns applet, and we're going to go ahead and create a campaign, and we are looking to create an email campaign. We're going to name the email campaign. Again, the name is just for you. When it comes to your goal, it doesn't matter what you select here. This is more for Facebook, Instagram, and Google advertising, letting the system know what type of person you would like to advertise to. In this example, we are telling the system who we're going to advertise to through an email list. So we'll select other, selecting command email, and we're going to create the campaign. So again, right here, number 3, send to the recipient list. This is what we created in a previous email here. And if you missed that email, go ahead and watch the video on creating an email list. This button right here is the same button that we used in that video. It's just we're inside of sending the email campaign here. In the previous email, we created the email list from the campaigns applet. Under here, we're going to enter in the subject line of the email. And then next, we're going to go ahead and select a design. Now, when I'm creating designs for smart plans, I will create the designs within the designs applet just because it gives me more flexibility in the future to edit it, to duplicate it. In this example, we're really just creating a just listed email, and I'm only going to send it out once because I'm only going to list this home once, and I'm not going to list this home again. So right up here, we have 2 tabs, My Templates. That's everything I have created from within Designs, and KWAP templates. These are all the branded incomplete templates that we need to finish. So we are going to go ahead and find our just listed template. We'll type in listed there, and right here you can see we've got a few options. Okay, there's some luxury ones here. Just remember, if you are going to use this style of template, remove the KW luxury logo if you are not a luxury agent. And then right here we have a just listed, and you'll see we actually have approachable, classic, and modern. It's the exact same template, but the style of it is slightly different. Approachable has some rounded, soft edges to the image boxes and text boxes. Classic, you can actually see right here, very square and defined boxes. And modern, if we hit the little preview, you can see how, it's just kind of misaligned with all the different boxes there. So I prefer the approachable or the classic example. In this one, I'm going to go ahead and select classic. And if we hit the preview button now, you can see we've got a logo, we're center that, we've got our just listed title, everything here is editable. Street address, home information, pictures, some text, a call to action button, and some personal branding down here as well. So let's just go ahead and finish this template and send it out to our database. So I'm just editing the logo here, making it a little less tall and centering it. I'm fine with leaving the just listed. Make sure we stay bold there. Again, I'm not going to completely finish this whole template. You guys don't want to watch me do that. But just want to give you guys an idea of everything that we can fully edit, okay? Now we came to the section of adding our 3 images. So again, this little pencil right here is our edit function. And we come right here to replace the stock image. And we got 3 options of finding the images. Previously uploaded images, add images. We will then go find it on our computer files. Or we can select listing images and then go ahead and type in our property address. Now remember, this is a full MLS history search, so it will have things such as previous listings. We'll have the Georgia MLS version and the FMLS version. So here is the listing. I'm going to select it. And then on the next screen, it's giving me the option to select which picture from my listing I would like to use. So we're going to go ahead and hit that replace option. From here, a couple of things we can do. We can make the images larger if we wish to. I'm not going to do that because I'm very happy with how clean the template looks. But this link to option, we see this in many different email templates. And what this does, it can send someone to a destination link if they click on your image. So right now, if I were to hit done, when they receive this email, if they were to click on this image, it will load a larger version of this image for them to be able to view. If I were to come back in here and select this link to option and choose a web address, I could then go find my listing on my website, copy the URL. This is the URL right here. Well, this is a URL right here. I would copy the URL from my website and I'd paste it right here, okay? Then when someone clicks on the image after receiving the email, they will actually get sent to my website to see the full listing. So completely up to you what you choose to do here. So I'm going to edit the other image. I'm going to replace it. Got to go find that listing again. We're just grabbing any images and replacing. Again, I'm going to do the same thing for the next one, just a little bit quicker now. So now we have the 3 images put into our template. We can see that it's starting to take shape just here. When it comes to our text, I always delete that one and then I just use these 2 placeholders right here. Maybe we're going to come in with some bullet points. There you go, just jot down a few little examples right there. We'll do the same thing over on this side as well. Now we have this view listing action button. So when I click on it and I hit the edit option, we can rename the text that's visible on the button. So view listing, view more pictures, view more information. And here's that link to option again. So we're going to select web address. We're going to jump to our website to go find our listing. Now this is just an example, and this is my past home that I sold. Our websites do not display sold homes, only active and pending homes. So I'm just going to go grab a house super quick just to show you an example of grabbing the website URL and inserting it into our action button. So we copied it, we paste it just there, and we are now done. So when someone receives this email and they hit view listing, it will forward them to that web address that we just inserted into that placeholder. Got a few more options here. This is really the last thing you want to edit on this page, okay? Contact me for more information or schedule a tour. I'm okay with that for this example. But as we come down right here, all of this information includes merge fields. Okay, so remember, a merge field, it's going to pull data in from our marketing profile that we find within settings, connect settings and marketing profile, and we give it all the information about ourselves. And then when the system sends this email out, it inserts your phone number, your website, your name, your app link, market center information, and so on, okay? So just to check the preview one last time, again, we didn't fully complete because it was an example, but we got a lot of freedom to add more text just here, okay? Personal branding, and we are ready to send this out, okay? So I will hit save and exit. We're gonna jump back into that email campaigns screen. We've got our preview here on the right side. We chose our list, we got our email subject line, and now we have the option of would we like to schedule this to go out at a certain day, or do we want to just go ahead and hit send now, and it will send immediately to everyone that was on that email list, okay? So again, as a recap, we created our email list first. This is a great way to really let your database know about new listings, activity, events to invite them to. The difference between these email campaigns and smart plans, email campaigns for me are a lot more one-off touches. Our smart plans are more systematic touches to where we're adding them to a campaign with the intention of having follow-up with them with a potential lead over the next 3, 6, 9, 12 months. Okay, so thanks for watching. Look forward to seeing you in the next video. And as always, if you got any questions, reach out to your Market Center Tech Trainer, reach out to myself. We're happy to help you. Have a great day.